Today we are going to the Sahara Desert. So we made a very spontaneous decision to go to the Sahara Desert. We have the Lommelse Sahara here in Belgium, and it's not really a desert, it's just some environment that you can walk through. Beautiful environment, you're gonna enjoy it. We brought all our stuff. Nico's got these bags for his, and I've got my panniers. It's been a while since I put my panniers on my bag. They were all dusty. I had to clean them because it's been so long. But we brought some food and some coffee and all that stuff to enjoy this beautiful day. It looks very warm, but it's not that warm actually. It's just beautiful. And in the sun it's okay. Anything to add?
It's a perfect day for a safari.
For a safari, yeah, true. Let's go on a safari. I should have brought my hat, the safari hat. Right, we're taking a little break because Nico and I are going to change bikes for a while, just to switch it up a little bit. It's gonna be fun to ride with the Ninja, and he's gonna ride with the best one. But anyways,
Hello, it's the Ride Brider, and today we are riding with the CB500X, and I'm a very good and professional rider. And today I'll make a tutorial on how to put your thumb between your chain. So that's what we're gonna do today.
right, we have arrived at the Sahara, but we first have to eat something because we're very hungry. And yeah, we parked the bikes here next to the water on this parking lot. Yeah. Been here before with my dad. We stood over there. I don't think we filmed it. No, we probably did. So yeah, nice place. Recommend it. We've been riding for about 3 hours, I think. It has been already quite a ride. We switched bikes. What did you think of the CB500X?
It's a total different experience than the Ninja 400. I thought it was less different, but it rides a lot different, and the position on the bike is also a lot higher.
Yeah,
it was a unique experience, and I really liked it.
Yeah, for me it's the same. It's just a totally different bike, and also if you go back on your own bike again, it also feels very weird again, because it's just so different. This bike is way more low than mine. It's got a bit more power, especially when you're going higher up the revs, then yeah, you feel the power more. And mine is more stable and not so much power, but like from the beginning till the end, all very linear. So
I think we know that this is a sports bike, the Ninja 400.
yeah,
That this is a more touring bike, and we know that on a sports bike you're like in this position,
Yeah.
and your knees are like further up, and we know that. But when you switch bikes and then go back on your own bike, you yes,
you really feel that.
yeah, you really feel it.
Yeah. We did the walk. It's very beautiful. Sunset. Very nice environment. Now we're gonna get ready to leave. Gonna put our gear on, and then we have about 1 hour or 2 hours. We're gonna check the GPS how long it's gonna take, and then we're gonna go home with the sunset.